The form is unified into an organic whole by a higher ruler, and never leaves until the form disappears. But we are driven by desire to consume this ruler all day long, busy searching for satisfaction like a running car that cannot stop. Isn't it sad? Isn't it sorrow to be enslaved by desire for life and unable to find one's innate abilities, until one is exhausted and doesn't know how to turn inward? What's the benefit of claiming that this is the state of being alive? After the disappearance of the body, the conscience also disperses among all things. Isn't this a great sadness? Does a person have the conscience from birth? Is it only me who has the conscience, while others do not? If everyone uses their own biases as a guide for behavior, then who doesn't have a set of behavioral standards? Why listen to those who are famous for their knowledge, extract a piece of history as a standard? Even ignorant people have their own opinions. One who cannot find their own innate abilities, but they have a set of right and wrong standards. Just like the day when they first arrive in the state of Yue, they want to say that they have been there before and know this place like the back of their hand. Even Da Yu couldn't replace awareness with sensory perception, so how can I make you do it?